Hi, first graders. Welcome back. So, we are going to continue our math journey. The day before, we were working on adding multiples of 10, so multiple groups of 10. Today, we are going to be talking about adding and subtracting both 10s and 1s, okay? So, this is deals a lot with place value. So, math hat on, let's get going. But before we start our math lesson, we are going to warm up our brains, okay? So let's get our brains warmed up and thinking about math. Guess that number. So this one's different. So we have the number 15. What is 10 more than 15? 10 more. And here's a clue to help you. On your hundreds chart, 10 more, you just jump down one space. If you were thinking 25, kiss your brain. Awesome. Let's try our next one. Ooh, 76. What is 10 more than 76? Or the math equation would be 76 plus 10. If you were thinking 86, kiss your brains. Lovely. Ooh, now check this one out. This is 10 less. So remember, when you are subtracting or going less, doing 10 less, you want to go up the hundreds chart because numbers are getting smaller. So if we have 43, what is 10 less than 43? Or the math equation would be 43 minus 10. If you got 33, do a little dance. Woo, good job. Okay, let's try another one. 81. What is 10 less than 81? If you were thinking 71, kiss your brains. Lovely, boys and girls. Good job. Okay, so here, this looks familiar. I just added a few steps because on our hundreds chart, yes, we can do 10 more, which is down the hundreds chart, 10 less, up one on the hundreds chart, but we can do one more, one less. So if you want to do one more, you want to jump to the right where numbers get larger. If we want to do one less or to take away, we want to jump to the left where the numbers are getting smaller. Okay, so we're going to practice using all these strategies today with our work. So you're going to watch me as I walk through some problems, and then you are going to show what you learned this evening when you do your assignment. Okay, solve each problem, show your work. So there are 32 birds in a tree. If 14 more birds join, how many birds will there be? So what's important is my 32 birds. I'm going to circle 32. I'm going to circle 14 more birds join. This tells me this is Augusta plus. I'm going to add. So I'm going to put my plus sign there. I'm going to solve this problem two ways. My first way, I'm just going to divide my paper in half because I want you guys to solve these problems two different ways. So the first way that I'm going to solve this one is with a picture. So if there's 32 plus 14, my picture would look like this. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Now 14 more, so 14 would look like this. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So now I can add all of this up. I'm going to count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. 46 birds. I'm going to include the label birds. So now I'm going to check with another math problem, with another strategy. And I'm going to use my good old hundreds chart, okay? So I'm going to start with 32 because that's what I know. 32 birds. 14 more joined them. So if I know, I can count by ones like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 46. I can count by ones. But I want to use the strategy of counting or using plus 10, tens and ones on my hundreds chart. So here's 32. If I want 10 more, it becomes 42. So there's 10. But I need to add 4 more because there's 14 birds. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Did I still get 46? Yes, 46. So I started at 32, jumped down 1 space, and went to the right 4 spaces. I'm going to write that in a sentence because I want everyone to know how I did that. I don't want to just write the answer. I want to explain my thinking. Great mathematicians explain their thinking. So I started at 32. Then I jumped down 1 space and went to the right, where the numbers are getting larger, to the right 4 spaces. And that's exactly what I did. Started at 32, jumped down 1, boop, and went to the right 4 spaces to get my 46. Okay, let's try this one. There are 27 birds in a tree. If 13 birds leave the tree, how many birds will there be? 27 birds, important. 13 birds leave. That's important. That tells me minus the minus. If 13 birds leave the tree. Let me draw my line down the middle. The difference with subtracting, when I draw my picture, I only have to draw the larger number, which is the 27. So it would look like this: 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. There's my 27. Now 13 leave. That means I have to get rid of 1 10 stick and 3 ones. So here's 10, 11, 12, 13. And I am left with 1 10. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 birds will be left in the tree. Huh. So let me check it with my hundreds chart strategy. So I'm going to erase this. This is for my last problem. Just want to get rid of that. That's why I love having this in the plastic. And if not, you can just use a pencil and erase yours. Okay, so starting at 27, because I have 27 birds, they're in a tree. Boop, there's my 27. 13 leave. So I know that when it comes to subtracting 10 less, I need to go up the hundreds chart. Up 1, and then to the left 3. So I went up 1, and then to the left 3. 1, 2, 3. Did I get 14? Yes. Let me check it by counting back by ones. So if I count back 13 jumps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Still got 14. But the going up and down the hundreds chart by tens and by tens, I get to my answer a lot quicker, okay? And so I just work smarter instead of harder. So 14. So then when it comes to me writing that, let's write down our steps. Just like up here, I started, So I started at 27. Then I jumped up one space because it's the opposite when we're subtracting. I jumped up one space and went to the left this time, went to the left 3 spaces. So I started at 27, jumped up one space, went to the left 3, and I got my 14. Okay? All right. Then I'm going to solve these math problems using the math problem strategy, just the algorithm. I like to divide my math problems to show the place value. Tens, ones. I'll go ahead and do this one too. Tens, ones. So here we're adding, we're doing Gus the plus. 4 plus 3. Because I know my doubles, if 4 plus 4 equals 8, 1 less would be 7. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. 5 plus 4. If I know that 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 less is 9. So 5 plus 4 is 9. My answer should be 97. So I did it with an algorithm, a math problem. I'm going to check it with a picture. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Now 43 would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97. Got the same answer. So I solved it using the algorithm. Then I checked it with a picture. You can also check it using your hundreds chart if you would like. And it would look something like this. You could start at 54, and I need to add 43. So I need to go up 4 spaces. So 54. So 10, 20. Oh, sorry, wrong thing. I need to go down. Sorry, not up. Silly Miss Sadler. So I start at 54. I'm going to go down 4 spaces because that's plus. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Now to the right, when numbers get larger, 3, 41, 42, 43. Did I get 97? Yep, I did. So you can use your hundreds chart as your second strategy. And you can write, I started at 54. I jumped down 4 spaces and to the right 3. And you can do it that way too. All right, let's look at the next problem. 59 minus 25. Minus the minus, we're taking away here. 9 minus 5 is 4. 5 tens minus 2 tens equals 3 because 5 minus 2 is 3, 34. I'm going to check it with the picture. Remember, when you do minus and minus, you only have to draw the larger number, which is the 59. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Notice how neat my picture is, okay? 59 minus 25, 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Let's see, I like to circle what's left. So we have, oh, can't really see that one. I have a 10 stick here. So it's best to always use a pencil. So 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. I still got 34. And you know what? I'm going to check it a third way. Let me see. Erase. My good old handy dandy hundreds chart. Okay. So we're going to start at 59 and we're subtracting. So we need to go up 25. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Did we get 34? Yes, we did. We went up 2 spaces, 1, 2, and to the left 5 spaces. And we got 34. Okay. So now you watched me work through those problems. I am going to share with you what your assignment is going to look like this evening. And you are going to do just great. And just remember, if you need help with something, just ask your teachers, okay? They will help you. All right. Hang on one second, boys and girls. Let me find our screen. Okay. There we go. Let me share this with you. Sorry, boys and girls. I had to get this ready. Okay. And so here is your assignment. Solve each problem and show your work. There are 23 birds in a tree. If 14 more birds join them, how many birds will there be? Okay. There are 34 birds in a tree. If 11 birds leave the tree, how many birds will there be? Then over here, we have 24 plus 22. The next one is 37 minus 16. Do your best work, okay? Use these strategies. Don't forget, draw a picture, use a hundreds chart, and write your thinking in a sentence. Answer the math problem, okay? So you can do this. Keep working hard, okay? So proud of you. Bye, boys and girls. Uh-oh, wrong button. Bye.